Ever wondered who's pulling the strings at Raiz? Who are the big players behind this popular micro-investing platform? Today, we're diving deep into the ownership structure of Raiz, uncovering the key investors and entities that shape its trajectory. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, is a micro-investing platform that allows users to round up their purchases and automatically invest the spare change. It's a clever way to build wealth gradually, and its popularity has soared in recent years. But who are the brains behind this innovative financial technology? Let's find out. Key ownership structures. Private equity. A significant portion of Raiz is owned by private equity firms. These firms invest in companies with high growth potential, aiming to increase their value and eventually exit through a sale or an initial public offering, IPO. While the specific names of these firms might vary, their involvement signifies substantial financial backing for Raiz's continued development and expansion. Founders and early investors. The founders and early investors who had the vision to create Raiz likely retain a stake in the company. Their continued involvement is crucial for maintaining the company's original vision and ensuring its long-term success. These individuals often play a key role in strategic decision-making and product development. Strategic investors. Raiz may have attracted strategic investors, such as other financial institutions or technology companies. These investors often bring valuable expertise, industry connections, and access to resources that can accelerate Raiz's growth. For example, a partnership with a major bank could provide Raiz with a significant customer base and expand its reach. Employee stock ownership plans. ESOPs. Many successful companies implement employee stock ownership plans to incentivize and reward their workforce. ESOPs can foster a strong sense of ownership and encourage employees to contribute to the company's long-term success. If Raiz has an ESOP, it means that employees have a stake in the company's performance, aligning their interests with those of the shareholders. Unfortunately, detailed information about private company ownership is often not publicly disclosed. However, through diligent research, we can uncover some clues. Company website and press releases. Raiz's official website and press releases may offer some insights into its investors or partnerships. Industry publications and news articles. Financial news outlets and industry publications often report on major investments and funding rounds. LinkedIn profiles. Examining the LinkedIn profiles of key Raiz executives and employees can sometimes reveal connections to investors and other stakeholders. Understanding the ownership structure of Raiz is crucial for several reasons. Investor confidence. Knowing who owns the company can provide investors with a sense of confidence and security. Company direction. The interests of major shareholders can significantly influence the company's strategic direction and decision-making. Corporate governance. A clear understanding of ownership helps ensure good corporate governance practices and accountability. It's important to note that this information is based on publicly available data and may not be entirely comprehensive. The actual ownership structure of Raiz may be more complex and subject to change. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.